drive my car. That's right, I'm driving today. I'm leaving in 5 minutes, let's go! Do you got a ticket to ride? In my car? Oh, what do you think you're doing? Lowering the volume. I'll do that. Why am I the only one singing in this car? Come on! Ah, look at all the lonely people. Hey, hello. Hello, hello. Is that a cop? The man with the foolish grin is keeping perfectly still. Sorry. I'm gonna ask you to get out. They faded it out way too early. You missed the entire point of the song. Why would they do that? Well, shake it up, baby! Twist and shout! Oh, that is good. That is, I'm sounding so like John right now. Oh, I am so Ringo right now. I'm channeling Ringo. Summer weekend went to cottage in the Isle of Wight. Did start to dip. We shall scream and save. So cool. Dave. Here we go. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to Santa in the rain, bullfrog, with it again. Thank God that's over. CD time! Try to see it my way. You don't know this, but this is my favorite Ringo solo song. It don't come easy. You know it don't come easy. Tell me what is my life without your love? In the middle of the night. In the middle of the night, I call your name. Oh, Yoko. Harmonies, let's do this. Anytime, any day, you can hear the people say that love is blind. Okay, I think you're really gonna like this one. I mean, if you ask me, it's one of the better Beatles songs. It gets better around the chorus, okay? Don't give up on it just yet. I know what you're thinking. It gets better, I swear. You'll like it, you'll like it. You'll like this one, okay? You will like it. Alright, everybody get ready to jam.
the sun is fading away and things like that. The things Paul wrote those. We always wrote separately, but we wrote together because we enjoy.
I am the walrus! Get down! We're just gonna wait in the car till the song's over.
Do I have to keep on talking till I can go on? While you see it your way, run the risk of knowing that